viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Doris Aite. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn a long sleeve shirt into a short sleeve shirt. So let's get started. So this is our long sleeve, and I already went ahead to cut out my long sleeve, so you can see the hand here. So it's a long sleeve with a cap here and the placket. So I cut it out. So I'm just going to show you. So now you can see the sleeves that now it's having the short hands. Very short. So I'm going to show you how you can finish the edge to have a neat finishing. So let's get started. So I'm going ahead to press the sleeves. We can see. So you go ahead and press the sleeves. Go ahead and press slowly it. Doing the same thing for the other side. So after that, hope you can see this. So after that, I'll just go ahead and fold this. If you can see that, just going ahead to fold this. Sorry, this is the correct side. So you fold it inside about 1 inch, then you press again. Fold about 1 inch. And then you press, you turn it, you do the same thing all around. Like I said, about 1 inch, then you press, turn it. So you fold in 1 inch, remember. So 1 inch. Then you press. Then you press all over. Hope you can see that. We can see this. Yeah. So after that, go ahead and press on top. Press on top. Press on top. And after that, the 1 inch you fold in like 1 cm because you are going to make a top stitches. So you fold in like 1 cm again, then you press, additional pressing. Yeah. So you are doing this so that it makes it easier for you when you are doing the sewing. You don't struggle to fold. So after that, you do an additional folding inside, like I said, 1 cm. Folding like 1 cm. So I'm just going ahead to fold in 1 cm. And at the same time I press. You can see that. Try to, as much as possible, to make your hand straight. So you do it all around. And you can see that. See how I'm taking my time because I want to have it very neat. So you make sure you fold what you're folding inside is half here. Sorry, one here. Okay, so I have it folded in side double. So already you realize that I'm not done sewing, but you can see that I'm having a neat finishing already. So I'll just go ahead and make the stitches and I'll come back and show you how it looks like. Remember, I'm going to make the top stitches from inside all around. I'll do the same thing for the second one hand, and then I'll come and show you the result. So I'll just make up. So like I said, I'm just going to sew from inside, and I'm done doing that. I hope you can see that. Yeah, so I'm done sewing from inside, and after that I just turned it outside because my client wants it outside. He wants to have the folds inside, outside. So right now I just went ahead to make a top to press it. So I did the same thing for the other side as well, so we could see that. So now I'm just going ahead to make a top stitch very close to the edges. Hope you can see that. So I'll go ahead and make a top stitch all around. Then, so you already see that it's looking like a short sleeves shirt already. So this is a shirt, it's not a long sleeve. Now remember, we are turning a long sleeve to a short sleeves. So now you can see that this becoming a short sleeve gradually. So we are finally going to make the top stitch, then we are done transforming our long sleeve into short sleeves. So just go and do that and show you the final outcome. Hi guys, so this is the final outlook of our long sleeve turned into short sleeves. So you can see they're so nice and beautiful. So now this is the final results. Now we have a long sleeve being turned to a short sleeves. So yeah, so this is the result. Yeah, and we can see that. Yeah, so that's how simple way you can turn your long sleeve into a short sleeves shirt for your shirt. So that's the end for our tutorial today. See you on my next video, and please, if you have new to my channel and you've not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you always have updated or notified. Thank you very much. See you next time in my next video. Bye.